Here's our garlicky orzo pasta with tomatoes, basil, and parmesan. It's fast and delicious. First things first, get your pasta cooking. I'm using orzo, but use what you love. While it cooks, get the other ingredients ready. We've got fresh tomatoes, a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic, and a cup or so of fresh basil leaves. Just as the pasta finishes cooking, dunk a mug into the pot and scoop out some of the starchy water. This helps to make a sauce later on. Now add 3 tablespoons of olive oil to a deep skillet over medium heat. Stir in the garlic and a pinch of red pepper flakes and cook for 30 seconds or until the oil is bubbling around it. Now add the tomatoes, basil, and cooked pasta. Now pour in a splash of the reserved pasta water and add a generous handful of shredded Parmesan cheese. As you stir everything around the pan, the sauce begins to coat the pasta. If it seems dry, add a splash more of the reserved water and cook for a few more seconds. Then taste for seasoning and adjust with a little salt and ground pepper if needed. Serve the pasta with even more basil and cheese on top. And that's it. Extra easy orzo pasta with tomatoes and basil. You will love it. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.